Wait. Just don't push me, bro. Stop. Okay. Hey guys, back with another video. Alright. Let's get into the video. Today we're gonna be playing. Today we're gonna be playing in my old favorite game. It's called Washing Machine. Bro, this is so funny. I used to like work on it. Serious? Ah! How is that even real, bro? Hey, wait, what the? Hey, bro, we got this. Hey, no, but let me see something up. Hey, come on, bro. I did everything there. Serious? I had to this game. Bro, if you could take a cola, type this. I'm not joking. It's so funny. They literally explode. I'm not joking. But give me that. Coca-Cola. Bro, I hate that dude, like actually. That's funny. What in the world? Up. That's the up. Oh. Upside down. What's the button? Oh, I can't push. Bro, I don't like this dude. Get him out of here. Get out. Bro, get this dude out of here. No, not again. Not again, bro. Oh, mama. Bro, seriously! Bro, seriously, get out! Bro, stop. Bro, this sucks. Bro, even I still love this game, it still makes me mad because of this guy. This is my first time seeing him. Coca-Cola. Yeah, get it up. This is not funny, bro. This is not even funny. I'm running my life for him. Get out of here. I think he's working on him. Bro. Hey, come back here, bro. This is what you get. You dodged it. No, I ain't doing that happen. Come on, die. Yeah. I'll get this. Yeah, I'm a ragdoll. Yeah. So this guys, bro, this is why it's called washing machines. I'm gonna wash my stuff in here. Whee! Bro, I'm just washing myself. I'm not washing my clothes. Thank you guys for 71 subscribers. Now we're going to FaceTime every day now. I'm just gonna make a real life video, like on my new house. It's like my old house, but it's literally near to my old house. If you know what I mean. Let me just stop making that sound. Wee. Oh, this. No, what's that? No, stop. Wait a second. Wait, I have that. Yes, I got it. No, stop! I'm actually getting mad. No, no! Thank reaction, bro. Nah, I'll leave it this again. Well, that's for it today. Bye! Video.